Let's go. Today we're going to step into Super Nintendo World at Epic Universe, where coins spin, piranha plants snap, and classic Nintendo magic surrounds you at every turn. Get ready for a full POV walkthrough, including a full ride on Yoshi's Adventure, plus our first look at Minecart Madness, the Donkey Kong coaster that's got everyone talking. So let's jump in. The adventure starts as we travel through a giant warp pipe and enter Peach's castle, where the Mushroom Kingdom opens up in full color and chaos, spinning coins, moving animatronics, and Mario's world comes to life in every direction. From interactive games and layered environments, Super Nintendo World is buzzing with energy. You'll find characters to meet, blocks to punch, secrets to unlock with your power-up band. 3, 2, 1... Don't forget to stop for a quick meal at Toadstool Cafe, where the food is as playful as it is tasty, and keep your eyes peeled for Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach are all here to greet guests throughout the day. Next up is a sneak peek at Minecart Madness, the Donkey Kong coaster that brings the original video game to life, with wild curves, temple theming, and the iconic track jump effect. It is super cool. Even from outside the ride, it's pure kinetic energy. You'll hear jungle drums, mine carts crashing, barrels rolling, just like the classic games.
My story. What do you mean you don't get it? Just hop in a minecart and chase the Tiki Tech tribe out of the temple before they get the golden banana. These ain't the ripest manners on the tree, I'll tell you what. Would you knock it off, Squawks? You're lucky I'm full up on bananas. This roasted carrot is sounding mighty tasty right now. I'm just pulling the wing, bud.
Now let's hop on Yoshi's Adventure, a relaxing family ride that takes you on a scenic tour above the Mushroom Kingdom. As you ride, you'll help search for glowing eggs with Captain Toad, while enjoying sweeping views of the land below. Look out for familiar faces such as Baby Mario and others, and of course, Yoshi himself. Welcome!
Three, two, one.
You gonna do it? Yeah, I got the fish. Oh, there's Donkey Kong Kingdom. Huh? Hi, the golden egg. From peaceful rides to platforming madness, Super Nintendo World at Epic Universe is a must for gamers, families, and anyone looking for a new level of theme park magic. Thanks for coming along on this walkthrough, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Nintendo game below. And until next time, keep collecting those coins.